10 to 1. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Number 10 up on the moon, and my friends will be here soon. 10 equals 9. One small step for a number, one giant hop for numberkind. We're on the moon. 9 and 1. That was easy. This is fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 aliens. One more is 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Number 10 back on the moon. 2 more friends will be here soon. 10 equals 8 plus 2. We're on the moon. 8 and 2. How did we get here? Haven't a clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 aliens, all heading home. Oh no, there's no room for those two. Never fear, Octoblock is here. Octoblock Bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Filled. 2 flying saucers. Good work. Oh, come back. It's not starting. Whoa. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Here I am, number 10. Time to make some friends again. 10 equals 7 plus 3. We're on the moon. 7 and 3. We're so lucky. Look at me. Look at that. There's the on button. That was lucky. Ready? Steady. Blast off. It's too heavy. 7 plus 3 equals 10. It's time again. Wait and see who my next 2 friends will be. 10 equals 6 plus 4. We're on the moon. 6 and 4. We really couldn't ask for more. Let's play a game. Roll the dice and... That was so cool. Still too heavy. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Quick before our visit ends. We've just got time for 2 more friends. 10 equals 5 plus 5. We're on the moon. 5 and 5. It sure feels great to be alive. Let's give them a hand. High five. Come on. 5 plus 5 equals 10. The number blocks from 1 to 10 went to the moon and home again.